and we are the #1 network marketing in the whole Philippines. And our goal is not AIM Philippines. Our goal is AIM global. So we are a third world country going out to the whole world to tell them na kahit na third world country tayo, kaya natin. So we were inspired by different companies. Like there is this Malaysian company. I'm not going to talk about the name of the company. It starts with the letter D. There's an N in the last part, and there's an X in the middle. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the name of the company. They were selling coffee, simple coffee. There's a lot of coffee in the Philippines. But what's the difference? Their coffee, dinagdagan nila ng mushroom, which is good. Maganda yung mushroom nilagay nila. So while drinking coffee, you're also drinking food supplement, mushroom, which is good for the body. In the Philippines alone, on their first year, they were able to sell 100 million pesos. On their first year alone. So sabi namin, kung kaya ng Malaysians, ba't ikaw ng Pilipino? You get the idea? Yes. So, tinayo namin ang AIM Global. Kami ang nagpapalaki sa company. The problem is, yung mga may-ari, hindi naman nakikita. Nakikita mo lang sa mga pictures, o kaya big event, pero yung ganito umiikot, hindi ho. Kaya yun ang pinagmamalaki namin eh. Ito yung kumpanya na yung may-ari, nakikita ho. Yes! Umiikot. Nagsasalita. Nakakausap. Nakuha niyo ako? Nakakamayan. Nakakakbayan. Makapag-picture ka pa. Nakuha niyo ako? Ibig sabihin, totoo po kami. And we've been doing this for how many years? So, sanay na kami. Now, punta na tayo dito para hindi umabalan ko mga gutom na kayo kasi iba itsura nyo. Hindi pa sa inyo, nakakahawak na sa tiyan eh. Parang gusto nyo makinig pero pag nananalo yung gutom, wala talaga eh, no? Ang hirap eh. Parang gusto nyo kainin kanina si Michelle eh. Okay, ano ba gusto nyo? Kumakain habang sasalita ako? Pwede naman sa akin.
Hindi ma'am, tuloy po, tuloy no.
Tuloy na gusto nyo.
Lilipas din yung gutom.
Lilipas din yan.
Okay, pag-usapan natin ng PEC. Remember this, okay? First word is persistent. Or persistence. In any endeavor, you have to be persistent. Regardless kung anong ginagawa mo. Manligaw, estudyante ka, nanay ka, magulang ka, you have to be persistent. If you're not going to be persistent, you're going to perish. In life, you have to persist. Kailangan mong lumaban. Sa kahit anong endeavor, kung anong lugar mo, you have to persist. Always remember that. Okay? Now, lahat po tayo, ang goal natin is magkaroon ng result. And when you talk about result, we want big result. Ayaw natin ng small time. Kaya natin nag-in global eh. Gusto natin big time result. Ayaw natin nung sawa na tayo dun sa konti lang, yung sakto lang, hindi makaipon. Yung pag-uwi ng Pilipinas, wala naman nangyayari. Gusto natin yung pagdating natin ng mga 50s, 60s, marami tayo naipon, marami na napundar. So, gusto natin result. Yan naman ang bottom line eh. So, focus ka sa result. Gusto mo ng result? Kailangan natin ng result. Now, maraming tao, hindi nila alam anong gusto nila. So, gawa tayo na may clean workshop. Since may mga boarded pipeline naman kayo. Mabilisan na to. Okay? Gusto ko ng full cooperation. Alright? Everybody get your pen and a paper? Okay. I'm going to give you only 1 minute. Okay? 1 minute. Make sure you're going to write it down. In 1 minute, everybody, you have to have a pen and a paper. Okay? In 1 minute, you have to write down your goals in 5 years time here in AIM Global. What are your goals in AIM Global for the next 5 years? 1 minute, go! Topmost, ito yung pinaka-importante. Most important is topmost. And then, going to now number 5 only, 5. Make sure it is smart. What is smart? Specific, measurable, attainable. Smart, R is, nandito na ako. Realistic, and time-bound. Okay. 30 seconds. Clapping. Okay. Time's up. Nobody writes. Oh, nobody writes. Nobody writes. Don't write. Okay. Who was able to write down at least 5? 1, 4. Oh, there you go. 3. 2. 1. Don't worry. It's okay. There it is. Okay. Don't worry. The most important thing is this. Okay, I have to ask first. What did you write? Can I have some volunteers? Was that the most priority? Yes, ma'am.
Big income.
Big income. Okay, like how much? You were not able to write down. Okay, I said specific, measurable. Like a lot of people, I want to be rich, but you don't know how much. So you have to measure it, like how much. There you go. Now, if you have big income, what will you do with the money? If you have the money. Business. What else?
Business.
How about you, mom?
Revolving money.
Investment.
Help the family. Okay, so you have the money, help the family. If you were able to help the family, what would be the result? You will be happy.
Yes.
So your goal
Happy.
is not the money.
Yeah.
Your goal is to be happy.
Yes.
There you go. So you have to be specific. Everybody wants to be
Happy.
happy. So focus not on the result. Focus to be happy. You know why? A lot of people, even if they are already rich, but they are not happy. So it is not the result. You should be happy. And in order for you to be happy, everybody should start being happy. You don't be happy when you already have the result. When you are starting, you should already be happy. That is the secret. So you have to be happy in this business. When you get your results, of course, you're happy. But then you are already happy even if you don't have the result. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay. So we all want to have the result. How to have a big result? You must have a big
Effort. Effort.
group, network. That's what we're talking about.
Network.
Without big group, there will be no result.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
A bigger group, a bigger result. Now, how to make a big group? Of course, you have to have a lot of
People.
activities. It is the activities that produces big group. Big group will produce result. Always remember that. Don't focus on the result. Focus on the activities. Alright? And you have to be persistent. Okay, what are the activities that you should know? Well, some of them was already discussed by Michelle. Well, other topics are one-on-one, home party, selling. You all know that already, right? Like you have to be active. So when you talk about activities, you have to do this every day. Can you say that? Every day. If you want to become successful in one thing, you have to do it every day. Every day. You want to be master of piano? Play piano every day. You want to be a good basketball player? You have to practice every day. Get it?
Yes.
Life you should do something every day if you're passionate about something. I'll tell you a story. This is best delivered in Tagalog. I'm sorry to the Tanzanian. This is best delivered in Tagalog. But I'll try my best to say it in English. Have you ever seen a very beautiful lady?
Yes.
A neck breaker. Do you know what's a neck breaker? Huh? Head turner is different. Head turner is a neck breaker is okay. A very beautiful lady like Michelle Go. And her partner is ugly. Have you seen someone like that? That's not me. That's not me. Have you ever seen? Ha? May nakita na kayo ganon? Kung nakita mo parang, paano nangyari yan? Ha? Parang hindi bagay. And you know what? Yung babae pang in love na in love. Di ba po, when you walk in the mall in Manila, you will see a lot of them.
Yeah.
So pretty, and yet the guy is so ugly. And yet the girl is so in love. What is the secret of these ugly people? Huh? I'm sorry for the word, but they are really ugly. Ugly, huh? What is their secret? You know the secret? No.
Performance.
Inaraw-araw nila. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. gabi-gabihan. Ito yung araw-araw. They do it every day. Alright? How do they do it? For example, magka-opisina, magkaibigan, or kung ano man ang sitwasyon nila, basta ang sikreto, araw-araw. Ay, ano talaga sikreto eh. Dumating yung maganda. Nakita ni pangit. Dahil palibhasa pangit siya, tanggap niya, pangit siya eh. Di ba? Nakikita mo naman sa salamin eh. Yung iba na lang talaga feeling lang, gwapo ko talaga, kahit ang pangit, di ba? May problema talaga sa... Okay, ano gagawin niya ngayon? Palibhasa, pangit siya, ang pa niya, magagawa niya is just to appreciate. Hi, you're so beautiful. The beautiful girl will say, oh, thank you. Ugly. The person who is ugly will say, okay, I deserve it. I'm ugly. But the following day, when he sees the beautiful girl, he's going to appreciate again. Hi, I like your hair. The beautiful girl will say, oh, thank you. Okay. The guy will say, okay, thank you. The following day, he's going to look anything unusual or pretty with that girl, and she's going to appreciate it. I like your shoes. You're so pretty today. The beautiful girl will say, oh, thank you. Ngit talaga. Every day. One day, while she's looking at the mirror, while looking at herself, she will remember the ugly person. She will think, ano kaya ang sasabihin sa akin na maganda ulit ngayon? Dahil nasanay na eh. Siya lagi yung mga pagsisipan niya eh. Nakuha niya, yung mga gwapo, hindi marunong mag-appreciate. The secret with girls or women, you have to appreciate them. That is the secret. Yun ang gusto ng babae. Yung, thank you, ang ganda mo, kahit hindi, di ba? Ito na ngayon. One day, naisip niya, ang pangit-pangit niya, pero parang cute na rin siya. Parang siyang butike. Pag naalala niya, hindi yung kagwapuan na naalala niya. Ang naalala niya, anong nararamdaman niya pag nandiyan si pangit. Hindi niya naalala yung itsura. Gumagwapo na lang dahil sa feeling na nararamdaman niya. Ganun po ang sikreto. O, alam niyo na mga pangit, ha? Sabi ng mga pangit, now I know! Okay, eto na ngayon. Eto gagawin ni pangit. One day, this is what he will do. Here comes the beautiful girl. And the beautiful girl, of course, she's going to expect that she'll be appreciated. Okay? So she's waiting for the ugly guy. But the guy will do this. The beautiful girl will, what happened? Am I ugly now? What happened? So she's going to approach the guy. What happened? What happened? The guy will say to do this. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. Why? What's the problem? I think I'm in love. And of course, the beautiful girl will say, okay, I'm also in love already. Nasanay na kasi. Because it's every day. That is the secret. If you want to become a winner, do it every day. Kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, kung ano man ang hirap, araw-arawin yung aim global. Dahil yaman at yaman kayo. Believe me, I've been doing this business for how many years? The problem is, yung iba, hindi naman talaga persistent eh. Hanggang doon lang sa excitement, the moment. Yung pag may nakikita, grabe power. Pag wala na power. Pag nandiyan naman, power naman. Ha? Pag wala na, no more. Hindi sila persistent. Kanya ko. That's the secret. I'll tell you another story, okay? Okay lang. I'll tell you another story. Pero ito talaga hindi pwedeng English yun eh. Tagalog talaga ito eh. Kahit i-translate mo, hindi maintindihan. Pusta tayo. Bakit? This is hard to translate in English. Very hard. So try to look at my face already, okay? Try to understand. There is this girl. Her age is already 45 years old. And she's so sad. Why? Ever since she was not able to have a boyfriend. Sino ditong may ganung experience? Tumanda na wala talaga. And syempre, sa isang babae, mahirap walang boyfriend. Lalo na pag ganung edad, talagang malungkot talaga. Tuyot na tuyot talagang. O, ito na ngayon. She went to a church and she made sure that there is no people around. So So she went to a church. She's a Catholic, by the way. So she went to a church and she kneeled down to one big image. Okay, let's call it image. Okay, I don't want to talk about religion. Okay, so she knelt down and then she said, in Tagalog, of course. The problem with this girl is ngongo siya. And she was crying, Lord, I'm already 41 years old, Lord. I don't have a boyfriend. Lord, please. I'll give myself 6 months. 6 months, Lord. If no boyfriend, mapakamatay siya. She's going to kill herself. She'll commit suicide. So while she was praying, there was a sacristan. What's sacristan in English? Sacristan also? Okay. There is this sacristan who was cleaning. And she was able to hear the cry of the girl. And she said, kawawa naman. Kawawa naman yung girl. yung sacristan, sakto, mo din. Kawawa naman yung girl. Kawawa. 3rd month came. Bumalik yung girl. Still the same. Crying. She was so sad. And she went back to the same church and he kneeled down and she said, Lord, he must already have bad. No boyfriend. Lord, another 3 months, remember, Lord, another 3 months. Every time she goes to the church, as always, the sacristan always hears her. So, while praying, muwawak na ngayong word, muwawak. 6 months came. She went back. Bagsak talaga yung mukha. Sobrang iyak talaga. Kita mo talaga. And she went back to the same church, and she knelt down the same image, and she cried, Lord, think ba't na? No more, Lord! Lord, right there! Yung sakristan na doon, tuwing pupunta siya doon sa sakristan, hindi niya ang gagawin niya. Siyempre, siya ang witness eh. He's the only witness. You know what he did? He ran towards the back of the image and he said, Iha, huwag ang mag-alala. Hindi anak ina. Alam mo sabi ng babae? Lord, ngongo ka rin! So, ano lesson?
Nakakuha ng partner.
The lesson is this.
Goal.
Ang goal nyo, hindi yung mag-quit.
Nakakuha.
Kasi ang goal mindset ganito eh. I'm going to give myself 6 months. I'm going to give myself 1 year. If nothing happens, then I'll quit. Ang mindset is yung mag-quit. Dapat ang mindset, whatever happens, I am not going to quit. That's the idea. Alright? So you have to be persistent. Do this every day. Part-time or full-time, at least a part of your day is part of a global. I'm not saying you resign. I'm not saying forget about God. No, what I'm trying to say is, at least you are doing. Parang ganito. Ako po ay mahilig sa ping-pong. Sino sa ping-pong? Table tennis. Ako po ay mahilig sa larong yun. Nung ako po ay nag-compete nung high school, hindi naman po super compete no? Ano yung sa intrams lang, sa school lang. Siyempre, konti lang ang mga magaling. Pagka nagko-compete, meron tinatawag na imagination. Ano po imagination? Ginagawa po ito ng mga players ng different setups. Ano po yun? Kahit wala kang hawak na raketa, kahit walang table, ini-imagine mo, naglalaro ka. Nakuha niyo ako? Para lang makuha mo yung form na tinatawag. Basketball, ganun din. Nung natuto ako mag-basketball, kahit walang bola, kahit walang ring, even if I'm not in the court, I imagine that I am shooting. You get the point?
Yes.
So that's part of activity. Imagination. Try to imagine. And there is this saying, if you cannot employ your hand, employ your mind. That means, pag wala kang ginagawa, try to read books. Kailangan kasi continuous ang activities mo. Continuous input. Or else, pag walang new activities, new inputs, what will happen? You will slow down. And ganun din sa Christianity. Pag di ka nag-church, di ka nagbabasa ng Bible, wala kang kausap ng mga pastors or mga leaders, what will happen? Manlalamig ka. Like a coal. A coal. If you remove one piece and remove it from the whole coal, what will happen to the small coal? It will die. Right? If you want that coal to grow or to flame, you put it back to other coals. You get me? So parang ganito. Ang sarap ng feeling pag maten, di ba? Nakaka-excite. Paglabas nyo dito, unti-unting lalamig yan. Sana paglabas yung power pa, syempre. Grabe talaga, ang guwapo talaga. Right? Pero pag doon na kayo sa mga bahay nyo, pakonti ko ng pakonti. Hanggang sa mamaya, hey global, power. Diba? So, kayo dapat may activity. Now, wala tayo. Next is, hindi ko na pag-usapan yung different activities. Alam niyo na to eh. Anong dapat yung gawin? Okay. Ang question lang is this. Ginagawa naman namin eh. Hindi man sumasali. Sumali man, pero iba yung excitement ko sa excitement nila. Bakit ganon? Okay. Pwedeng walang pera, pwedeng ganon. Okay. Ang kailangan mo is yung letter E. You have to be efficient. Yeah. The problem is, bakit hindi nagkakaroon ng malaking group? Kasi kahit marami activities, but they lack efficiency. You have to be efficient. Okay. So, what does it produce? It produces speed. Pag efficient ka, bumibilis lahat ng bagay. Paghuhugas, lahat ng bagay may tinatawag na sistema. Alam niyo ba yun? Diba, ewan ko kung anong mga trabaho ninyo. Iba-iba. Pero ako, mahilig po ako magugas ng pinggan. Yan. Meron po ako sariling sistema. Di ba may kanya-kanya tayong sistema sa bahay? Paano maglinis, paano maligo. Yung iba, siguro, inuuna, toothbrush muna, tapos bago ligo. Yung iba, ligo muna, bago toothbrush. Yung iba, pupo muna, bago ligo. Iba-iba sistema, di ba? Ang importante, efficient ka sa ginagawa mo. Make sense? Yan. So, it produces speed. Now, paano magpuproduce ang speed? Kailangan meron kang system. Ang system na tinatawag, ito yung duplicatable. Meaning, I can do the system, my downlines can also do the system, and their downlines can do the system. Pag ikaw lang may alam, at hindi alam ng downline mo, hindi ka duplicatable. Hindi system ang tawag dun. Nakuha niya ako? So dapat, katulad sinabi ni Michelle, yung alam niya, pinasa sa inyo, papasa niya sa downline niyo. Ngayon, paano magiging system ay isang bagay? Kapag lagi mong ginagawa. Nagiging part na ng sistema mo. Hindi siya nagiging sistema pag one time mo lang ginawa. So, connected pala lahat to. Yes. Ngayon, para magkaroon ng speed, kailangan may system. Para magkaroon ng system, dapat may time management. Katulad sinabi ko, pagligo, time management yun eh. So, ibig sabihin, pag lagi mo iniisip connected sa time, nagkakaroon ka ng system. So, para bumilis, kailangan aware ka sa time din. Nakuha niyo ako? Kaya nga mayroon, babalikan mo dito yung result mo. From big result, kukuha ka din ng smaller results. Hindi pwedeng focus mo lang big result. Kailangan, one result at a time. Parang ganito, paano kakainin ng isang langgam ang isang buong elepante? Di ba? Parang ngayon, posible. Di, maya-maya. Hanggang sa maubos niya. Nakuha niya ako? Maubos din niya yun. Matagal, pero basta maya-maya. Araw-araw yan. Hanggang sa maubos din niya. Nakuha niya ako? Pero yung one time, gusto natin, one time, big time. Recruit na magaling, tapos na, pahinga na ako. Hindi ko ganun ang buhay. Walang ganun talaga eh. There's no such thing as free lunch. Lahat na may value sa mundo pinaghihirapan. Parang kami yung mga may-ari. Ang goal namin hindi na magpayaman. Kasi mayaman na ho kami. Totoo, ayoko magmayabang. Pero, sino ba naman kaya pumunta ng Japan parang ginawa ng Cubao? Diba? Balik-balik ka, diba? Pero hindi ko yung para ipagyabang. Hindi yung kayamanan namin. Ang goal na ho namin, iba na ho ngayon. Alam nyo, gusto nyo malaman ang goal namin? Yes. Do you want to know our goals? Yes. Okay. We are already on the top. Okay? Before, we are the bottom. And it's hard to be on the bottom. Now we're at the top, believe me, ang laki ng difference, a big difference. Sa baba, ang hirap talaga. Ang experience ko yung baba. Ang hirap po, maging mahirap Pag nasa taas ka, pwede ka mag-adjust. Ano yung maganda ka mag-adjust? Pwede ka mag-hotel, may kotse ka, may extra money ka, abroad anytime. Pero pagka ikaw, gusto mong magkarinderya, pwede pa rin.
Yes.
Nag-jeep pa rin ho ako. Nakuha niyo ako?
Yes.
Pwede ako pumunta doon sa mga mahihirap.
Yes, sir.
Pwede ako makipag-blend. Pero pag mahirap ka, hindi ka makablend. Gusto mag-hotel, wala pira. Di tayo kotse, wala nga pira. Mag-aral ka sa mamahaling school, sa anak mo, wala nga eh. Pero ikaw, kahit saan, pwede. Yun ang maganda sa taas. Nakuha niya ako, flexible ka. Plus, nakakatulong ka kasi sobra ka. Pag dito ka, hanggang I'll pray for you. Nakuha niya ako? Pag nasa taas ka, hindi. Sobra ka ako ito. Minsan, hindi sa pagmamayabang ano. Minsan, pagka kumakain kayo sa labas, anong una niyo tinitidnan? Pagkain o presyo? Presyo! Pagkain. Sa Pilipinas, kunyari, nakita mo, crispy pata. Wow! Magkano? Cholesterol. Okay? Tinignan mo ulit, Capcom, magkano presyo? Pwede. Masustansya naman. Pagkain mo na bago presyo, di ba? Minsan, hindi ko si Michelle yung girlfriend ko ng time na yun. Iba pa ko, no? Alam naman ni Michelle to eh. Pinagsilosan niya. Pinagsilosan. Gulo eh, no? Dati, nung ako po ay kumikita na ho ng 1 million a month. Alam nyo, pagkasama ko ho yung girlfriend ko, pag manood ng sine, sa mall, sa Manila, manood ng sine. Di ba sa sinehan sa mga malls, may mga shop sa baba. Sa taas lagi yung sinehan. Di nyo ba alam bakit? Pwede naman sa ilalim. Pwede na, sa taas pa. Kasi ho, bukod sa structure ng engineering, may sikreto ho. Bago ka makarating, makadaan ka muna mag-shopping. Nakuha niya ako, ayan, talagang negosyo. Ito ngayon, papunta kami ng sinehan, kasama ko girlfriend ko. Eh syempre, may pera. Pag may nakita yung girlfriend ko sa shop, anong sabihin? Ano sabihin ko, dahil may pera? Bili. Bili. Paglabas, lakad ng konti, may nakita ulit. May pera? Bili ulit. Bili. Pangatlo, may nakita na naman. Dahil may pera? Wala pa kami sa sinihan. Wala kaming balak bumili. Pero pag may pambili ka, bibili ka. Kasi may pambili ka. Kayo. Pag nasa mall kayo, at sinabi ng, ano tsura mo? Wala pira! Diba? Hanggang tingin lang tayo. Ganun lang tayo. Ganun mo nagagawa pag meron kang nasa taas ka. Ngayon, nasa taas kami, ano ginagawa namin? Bumabago kami. Kahit pwede hindi kami bumaba. Pwede naman ako mag-hire ng speaker para padali dito. Hindi naman pwede ako. Nakapagod din ito eh. Pwede naman kaming, hindi na yung ginagawa ko na pupunta na para mag-seminar. Nakuha niyo ako? Pero bakit? Kasi pag nasa taas ka, gusto mo, madami kayo. Totoo po yun. Malungkot po sa taas. Kaya, por favor po, pwede bang samahan niyo kami sa taas? So dapat, system. May sistema kayo, okay? So, ngayon, ang question dito, so, kwento muna. Kailangan lagi may kwento. Persistent, efficient. Okay. Kwento, you have to think extraordinary. Ganun po. Lagi isipin, pag ikaw yung global ka na, ibang tao ka na. Hindi ibig sabihin na bago ka. Pag sinabi ibang tao ka na, since this is a relationship business, you always focus on, dapat ang tao makita sa'yo, iba. Something different from you. Para mangyari yun, dapat extraordinary kang mag-isip, kumilos, attitude mo nagbabago. Kung dati palamura ka, tatanggalin mo yun. Kung dati suplada ka, hindi na pwede. Dati may nakita sa'yo, hi! Ngayon, hi! Hi! Ibang iba ka na. Dapat gano'n. Pag dati hindi ka marunong maglinis sa bahay, ngayon malinis na. Hindi ka na pwedeng tatamad-tamad. Extraordinary. Kailangan talaga may extra effort. Okay to eh. Merong kung yun. Isang lalaki, 40 years old. He's 40 years old and hindi pa rin nagkaka-girlfriend. Baliktad naman to. Lalaki naman to. Okay. So, yung tatay niya, ibang-iba naman. Bakit? May asawa na, may girlfriend pa. Malupit. Pero siya, ever since, hindi pa nagka-boyfriend. Guwapo, girlfriend. Talaga, umuuho lang ngayon oo eh. Hindi pa nagkaka-girlfriend, gwapo. Hindi naman bakla, lalaki talaga. May pera, maayos ang buhay. Problema, walang girlfriend. Naliligaw naman, hindi mo sinasagot. Sabi ng dad niya, you know what son? You have to think extraordinary, you have to talk extraordinary, you have to smell extraordinary, you have to talk, think, smell, everything. You have to be extraordinary. So tinuruan niya lahat. Anong gagawin? So natuto yung bata ngayon. Get up, pogi na, talagang marunong magsalita, everything. Extraordinary kung mag-isip. One time they were riding a train. Okay, from Nagoya to Tokyo, Narita. Ayan. And then one time, nung huminto ng isang station, may sumakay na isang babae. Beautiful girl. Doon sa kabilang door. Nasa kabila sila. Nakita kagad yung dalawa. Sabi ng tatay, son, do you see what I see? The son said, yes, dad. You know what to do? Yes, dad. Extraordinary. So he stood up, he walked towards the girl, and always thinking, I am extraordinary, I am extraordinary. And then he approached the girl, and one of the things that his dad taught him is, you have to be observant. Look around. Look at what she's carrying, look at her dress, everything, her hair. And then, when she stood up in front of the girl, she looked into the eye, and then she smiled. Hi. Guwapo din. And the girl said, hi. And then, the father was looking at the son. He was excited. Yes, there you go, son, there you go. And then, he saw his son was spanked by the girl. Pak! Sinampal! And then, he was spanked again. Pak! What happened? Then the son was walking sad and gloomy. And then the father said, what happened, son? Dad, like what you said. I thought extraordinary. I did extraordinary. What did you do? Of course, Dad. I looked and I observed. And then, I saw her zipper open. Oh, what did you do? Extraordinary? I closed it. What did she do? She spanked me. And what did you do? I know that is wrong. What did you do? I opened it again. So you have to think extraordinary. Whenever you see person, regardless of their culture, their status, you have to think, they need my business. They need my help. They need my products. Get it? Whenever you see someone, there must be this excitement. I will recruit that person. But don't show it to them. When you talk to them, you have to be polite. Hello. But inside you, wow. Huh? Are you getting me? So you have to be efficient. To be efficient, you have to be extraordinary. Are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. To produce a system, ano next ito? I forgot it. Sabi ko nga, kukuha.
Time management.
Hindi po. Training ko to eh. Okay. O ano? Siyempre, system, para magkaroon ng system, ano kailangan? Hulaan niyo po. Wala kayong mahulaan? Try to guess. Training! You have to attend trainings to produce a system. Without trainings, there will be no system. Without a system, you will be very slow. So the secret is, keep on attending trainings. That's the secret. Keep on attending, keep on writing down, keep on listening, keep on watching every day. And you must have a mentor. What is a mentor? A mentor is someone who watches over you and knows your flaws and your strengths and is ready to give you any comments. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yun ang mentor. Hindi pwede yung pumuntahan ka lang para kausapin. Hindi ho. Ang totoong mentor, kakaroon ng relationship sa inyo. Kakaibiganin ka. So, tingnan nyo nga yung katabi niya. Sabihin mo sa kanya, pwede ka bang maging mentor? So, a mentor, not necessarily better than you or earning more than you. Ang kailangan lang yung someone who's going to support you. Okay? Ang sikreto sa negosyo to is support. Support po. Pag wala hong support, wala hong unity. Pag walang unity, wala hong team. Pag walang team na na-build, wala hong result. So, hindi pwede ditong pag successful isang grupo, kinaingitan. Makakain siya mga grupo na yan. Hindi ho. The more na kaibiganin mo kasi matutulungan ka. Got it? So, you need to attend a lot of training. Okay, punta na tayo sa C. Hulaan nyo anong C? Persist ka na. Efficient ka na. Ano na kailangan mo? Hulaan nyo.
Commitment?
Ha? May narinig ako eh.
Commitment?
Commitment eh. Communication.
Communication. Consistent?
Consistent. Sino nakaisip nun? Alam nyo na kasi, nakatid na kayo dati pa eh. First time ba to? Sabi ko nga eh. Kasi first time ako dito. You have to be
Consistent.
consistent. Okay, you are already persistent. You are efficient. How come, still, hindi na-build yung group? Okay, nawawala pa rin. Kasi hindi ka consistent. You get it? Yan. Yun ang sikreto. Consistent. Kaya nga, pek, hindi pwedeng pe. Hindi pwedeng pepe. Kailangan pek. Para makumpleto. Hindi masarap pag walang iba yung iisip ng iba. Okay, kailangan consistent ka. You have to do it every day consistently. Yun ang sikreto. Kahit anong endeavor katulad sinabi ko. Na pag-usapan natin to. Paano maging consistent? Siyempre, to produce consistency, ang kailangan mo is you have to prevail. What is prevail? Napakalalim. It's a very deep word. Prevail is to triumph for over a long period of time. Hindi niya sinabi doon just to triumph. Nakalagay doon for a very long period of time. So it's long. Ibig ko sabihin, ang laban ho sa ganito negosyo ay matagal. Hindi po ito, wag niyo isipin po ito na 6 months, 1 year, wala akong ganun. Ito po ay negosyo. Kayo nga ho eh. May nakausap ako minsan eh. Sabi niya oh, siya ang tagal-tagal ko sa Global. Wala pa rin nangyari. Gano'n ka nakatagal? 1 year. Gano'n ka nakatagal sa trabaho mo? 15 years. Ano nangyari sa trabaho mo? Wala. Imagine, 1 year ka pa lang nagreklamo ka na. Ikaw 15 years ka, hindi ka pa nagreklamo. Ay, tama kaya ito sa pag-iisip eh. So, hindi mo titinan to na pangmadalian. Long term. Gagawin mo tong career. You have to prevail. What's the meaning of triumph? Triumph is to win to win over challenges, different kinds of challenges and trials. Hindi sinabi doon na one type of trial, one type of challenge. No, from different kinds of trials. So, ang trial po sa AIM Global, marami ho. Minsan yung makakaaway mo yung kaibigan mo. Makakaaway mo yung upline mo. Mawawala yung upline mo. Nagkakaroon ng mga rason. Mukha niya ako. Mangyayari ho yun eh.
Kanya-kanyang rason.
But, ang talaga maging successful dito is the one who will prevail. Meron nga katagang sinabi si Francis eh. Ang matira. Hindi. Ang matira, mayaman. Yung luma, ang matira, matibay. Ngayon hindi yun. Ang matira, mayaman. Kaya pag may tanong sa inyo, ba't ka naman dyan? Kasi ang matira, mayaman. Totoo naman eh. Alam nyo, bigyan ko yung idea. Ang dami na ho umalis sa inyo. Marami na ho. Yung iba doon, kumikita pa ho ng million na. Ewan ko, narinig nyo na ho yung top 1 dati. 3.5 million a month. Umalis pa ho. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ako talagang umalis ako ng company pag sarado na.
Charge ng oray.
Pero pag ang company, bakit ang pakyat, tapos kumikita ka ng malaki, may kopak ka talaga. Ang laki na ng grupo! Ang dami ng global ambassador. Alam niyo ngayon, that was 2-3 years ago, ngayon sising-sising talaga. Ayoko siyang husgaan. Pero ang mindset niya, hindi na daw siya masaya. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya hindi masaya. O ngayon, kumusta siya. Lalo siyang hindi masaya. Di ba? Kasi minsan, akala mo pag nasa taas ka na, akala mo sobrang galing mo na. Akala mo you're on top of everybody. If you're on top, you forget about your history, you forget about your past. All you know is, I'm on the top. And I can do a lot of things, I have a lot of money. Ang pera ko nauubos. You only have one name. The most important is your name, not the money that you have. Remember that. Kaya kayo maaari, we are protecting our names. And how do we do it? We have to be PEC. Persistent, efficient, consistent. Even if you're already owners, we still have to study. Alam niyo, hindi ako sanay sa English. Dito lang sa Global, kailangan. Bakit? Kailangan ko matutong mag-English. Pupunta ako ng Australia, ng Africa. Pupunta ako ng Amerika. Kailangan na mag-Tagalog po dun. No English, no school. I have to prevail. Nakuha niyo ako? Yan. Ngayon, para ma-produce mo yung pag-prevail, kailangan mo ng, eto importante sa grupo nyo. Without this, ito sasabihin ko, hindi yan continuous. Ito importante sa lahat. Okay? Hulaan nyo. Mahilig ako sa ganun eh. Kasi gusto ko part kayo ng seminar.
Teamwork.
Kasi hindi pwedeng
Teamwork.
kailangan may manggaling sa inyo.
Teamwork.
Mag-start sa letter M.
Management.
Yung mga kasagot, may 1,000, wala akong yan eh, 1,000 pesos sa akin.
Maintenance.
Malaking pera na yun sa Pilipinas.
Maintenance.
Maintenance, MEM. Mentor, malapit na.
Management.
Management, pwede na pero hindi management.
Money.
Method, hindi. Malapit na. Hindi method.
Momentum.
Yun! Tama! Ha? Sino sabi
Naisip.
mo? Naisip mo?
Yan.
Sino mo talaga?
Si Ma'am.
Ah, ikaw talaga.
Bumulong lang
Hindi
siya rin,
yun.
nahiya.
Hindi, tama. Alam mo na siguro to. Alam mo na, no? Umaming ka.
Facial position.
Without momentum, you will not prevail. Yes. That's the secret. If you want to become a champion, you must create a momentum. You want to win in life, you have to have a momentum. Gusto niyo maging successful ang Japan? Kailangan momentum. And ano yung momentum? Like a wave, hindi siya pwedeng yung pag-wave niya, walang continuity. Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Dapat isang malaking sabay-sabay lahat. Nakuha niyo ako? Kasi pag iwahiwalay mo yung tubig, hindi sila magiging malakas. Pag sama-samahin mo yung tubig at isang buhos, nag-produce ng momentum. Pag may momentum, merong strength in numbers. Ibig sabihin, lahat po tayo, isang mindset. Tulungan tayo, sama-sama tayo, walang iwanan. Ang effort natin, pag sama-sama natin. Pag may event, andun. Pag may training, andun. Pag may dumating na first timer, kahit hindi mo downline, willing kang mag-share. Hindi pwedeng, hindi ko yung downline, para sa buhay. Hindi, kasama ka dun. Para mag-create ng momentum. Gusto nyo ba yun?
Yes.
Gusto nyo ba ng momentum?
Yes.
Gusto nyo ba dumami ang global ambassador?
Yes!
Kita nyo, hindi lahat nag-yes. Hindi momentum yun. Pagka may tanong, dapat, yes! Come on!
Yes.
Kita nyo, hindi ko sabay-sabay ko ulit. Yun ang momentum. Nakuha nyo ako? So, finally, paano mag-produce ng momentum? Alam mo na siguro, huwag mo na sabihin. Ha? It starts 2 words. 2 words. O may 1,000 ka na sa akin, ha? 1,000. Ngayon, 2,000 pesos na.
Wow.
Kasi 2 words eh. It
Do,
starts with the letter A.
Achievement.
2 words.
achievement.
2 words. 2 words. Ha? 2 words.
Action.
Action. 2 words.
Agreement.
Yeah. Malapit na.
Achievement, hindi.
Malapit na. 2 words ka eh. Achievement. More achievement. Achievement more. Okay, 2 words. Isipin nyo, paano mag-produce ng momentum? Anong meron? Ito naman, per individual to. Ito per sa grupo. Ito naman, per individual. Malapit na. Ito. Malapit na. Pero 2 words eh.
2 words lang.
2 words.
Aggressive.
2 words.
Active.
Parang malit ang 2007. Isip. Kailangan gumana ang utak.
Acceptance.
Oh, lapit na. Ano?
Ano ang sinabi mo? Achievement, hindi rin.
Eh, 2 words. Isip naman yung iba. Hihintay na lang ang sagot mo ito eh. Dapat lahat mag-isip.
Acknowledge.
Action, malapit sa action.
Acknowledge.
Acknowledge, medyo napalayo. Yung action, malapit.
Marami sa action.
Yes, it's near.
Aggressive action.
Dito naman sa harap. Oh, wala kayo naisip. Kahit ano, bato kayo.
Action. Malapit sa action.
Malapit sa action. 2 words. Ha? Pwede rin.
Hindi kaya aim. Aim high.
Hindi, aim global, ano? Okay.
Aim.
Oh, wala na 2,000, ha? Wala na nagdagdag ako eh.
Second word. Second word.
Second word? Sinulat ko yun, alam niyo na.
First letter long.
Action. Action na. Malapit sa action.
O sige, last letter dito sa dulo.
Achievement. Achievement.
Hindi, sinabi ko na kanina.
2 words, 2 words. Achievement. Achievement? Mas malapit siya sa action. Pero, kulang, hindi pa rin eh. Pero,
Assessment.
hindi, kasi...
Assistant. Assessment. Assistant.
Announcement.
Announcement.
Attention.
Attention, 2 words eh. Pag may attention ba, may momentum?
Accomplishment.
O, eto, dadaanin ko sa kwento para malaman niyo.
Story.
Kaya lang, pag nasabi ko yung word, baka masabi ko eh. So, try kong hindi sabihin yung word para makuha nyo. I'll tell you a story. In English, para you have to identify which these 2 words that will produce momentum. This is individual, this is as a group. Okay? Okay. I'll tell you a story.
Wala nakahula.
Hindi pwede pa naman eh. Sa story na sasabihin ko, baka makuha nyo. Okay? Listen. Story. There are 2 countries.
Yes.
Let's say Philippines and China. Okay. There is one
Agreement?
general. Tapusin niyo. Hindi ka nakikinig, iniisip mo na lang to eh. From here, you'll get the meaning of that. There were 2 countries. The first country, one of the generals went to the doctor. He is sick. And he found out he has a terminal ailment, like a cancer. And the doctor said, you only have 6 months left to live. If you were that person, what would you feel? 6 months to live. Of course, you'll be sad, right? 6 months. And so he was so sad, and then he went to his headquarters, and he realized there's an emergency. What was the emergency? This country noticed that this country is going to conquer them. They are going to conquer this country. So the president called all of the generals, and they were talking about the strategies. What are they going to do to repel this country? And so they thought about a lot of strategies, and finally the president said, he asked, who is going to volunteer among the generals? Who is going to volunteer to be on the front line? When you talk about the front line, you are the first few group who's going to not attack, to face the enemies. And when you talk about front line, yun ang pinakamaraming mamatay. Siyempre, yun yung harap eh. Okay. You know what? The general who came late didn't know about the strategy. He heard about who wants to be on the front line. His mindset is this: I am going to die anyway. I'd rather die with honors rather than die on my deathbed. And so he volunteered. All of the generals were shocked. You're so brave. You don't even know the strategy, and yet you want to be on the front line. Yes. So they were thinking he's an honorable man. During the war, generals are supposed to be at the back. Why? They're doing the strategy. And the privates, the surgeons, all of the officers are there fighting. But this particular general, he was in front. He was fighting because his mindset, I will die anyway. I will die a lot of enemies before I die. That was his mindset. You know what happened? Because of his courageousness, all of the officers said, the general is so fearful. He's so brave. Then we have to be brave. And then you know what? They were so fearful, they were able to repel, and they won the war. They were able to repel the enemy. The problem is, the general did not die. He was still alive. So all of the generals, all of the countries celebrated, except for one, the general himself. Why? Because he wants to die, and he didn't die. You know what? During the party, the president noticed the general. What's the problem? You were the general who made it victorious. How come you're not happy? And the general said, because I found out that I have a terminal illness and I'm going to die. So he realized. The president realized. So you know what? The president called all of the specialists to focus on the general. To cure the general. You know what? The general was cured. Now he's very healthy. But they don't know there was a second attack. And the president said, General, since you led the victory, you go in the front line again. The general said, no, I don't want anymore. Why? Because I'm already healed. You get it?
Yeah.
You are going to do whatever it takes if you know there's no turning back. But if you have a lot of bridges left, then what you'll do? You have a lot of options. But if you don't have option, you do it everything. What's the word?
Sir, action persistent.
May nanigaw eh.
Action persistent.
All out! All out! All out! You got it! You have to be all out in this business. You give everything all out. There you go.
May 2,000.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
2,000.
2,000 for you. And 1,000 for you. Okay? 2,000 yen, 1,000 yen. Peso. Peso is higher, right? Peso is higher. Okay, you have to be all out in this business. There must be no reservations. What is reservation? I am so lazy today. I think I still have a job, and so if I'm not able to invite or be successful, it's okay, because I still have a job. But if you're all out in this business, you do whatever it takes. You give everything you have. If everybody's that, you will produce a momentum. And if there's momentum, you will prevail. Attend trainings, you will have a system. If you have a system, you will have speed. If you have a lot of activities, you'll create a big group. If you have a big group, result. And if you do it everything, it's called PEC. And PEC is beautiful. Okay? You know, in ending, do you know the samurai sword? Samurai sword. The sword, the kitana. The samurai sword. It is so famous in Japan. They thought that the kitana or the samurai sword made it famous. Tama ba, kitana?
Katana.
Hindi na pala ko alam nyo. Katana pala. Sorry, katana. Malapit naman eh. Saan dulo na? Katana. It is so famous, but you know what made it famous? It was not because it was a double-edged sword, or is it because it's so sharp? You know what made it famous? Because of the samurai warrior. The mindset of the samurai warrior is this: where they're in front of the emperor, they're going to bow down. Why? They're depicting that we will die in the war. I am giving my life. That's called all out. Right? So that's why the samurai sword was become so famous all over the world, the katana. Because of the samurai warrior. The story behind. You know the plane that made it during World War II? The kamikaze. Everybody was bringing the samurai sword. You don't know the real story, but one of them, while driving the plane, while flying the plane towards the warships, they know they're going to die. It's more honorable to die with their own sword. So before they're going to aim at the warships, and if they aim the warships, they kill themselves first before it explodes. That's how brave they are. That's why they were so famous. Not the samurai sword, but the samurai warrior. Got it? So it's not in global. We're not talking about the products anymore. It is you. You are the ones being talked about here. A lot of people outside are waiting for you to fail. Why? They didn't join you, right? A lot of them didn't join you. Now they have to prove that they are right. If you don't join, if you quit in this business, what will they say? See, I am right. It's good I didn't join that person. Why? You quitted, but anyway. So if you quitted, they won. They win. So don't quit. People are waiting for you to fail. But your loved ones are waiting for you to succeed. So guys, we are here to help you. I know, you know what? I'm already tired because of the flight and lack of sleep. Can you see it in my eyes? I'm really tired. No, I haven't eaten my lunch. I just bit a little. I ate a little bit, 2 big bites. And I don't eat pork, but since it's pork, I still ate it anyway because I'm already hungry. But it's okay, and I can see that you're also hungry, and I can feel so hot in here already. I'm also wearing a thermal clothes inside. That's why. That's why a lot of clothes. I'm sweating inside. Okay. Anyway, the seminar is done. I want to be back, and I'm going to teach you step by step what to say, not what to say. A lot of people just wants to know what to say, but they don't know there are things that you should not say. Yeah, things that will hurt somebody, things that will make them quit. Yeah, there are things that will make them quit. Your downlines will quit because of the things that you said, and they will stay because of course of the things that you said. So it's two-way, right? So now before we go, there's one last workshop. Akala nyo tapos na. Get a pen and a paper. Come on, get a pen and paper. Pen and paper? Oh, yeah, that's right. Pen and paper.
Wow.
Game? I want everybody to participate, alright? Game.